Okay, back with railroad graffiti, railroad car graffiti. I'm at a stop in a small town in Ohio, and I thought I would invite you to share with me. Now, here's some more graffiti here at the bottom of this car. What does it say and what does it mean? Maybe you can give me some interpretations. Maybe you have some knowledge. Hey, maybe you were one of the ones that rode on these cars. Or maybe at some point in your life you did this for a living. You put graffiti on railroad cars. What's it all about? Here's a little bit of graffiti on the side there. On this one. See it there? Here comes some more graffiti in the orange car. What's it mean? What's all this mean? What's it all about? Tell me. Come on. Some of you out there know. I don't know. I know nothing. Like Schultz, here comes some good graffiti on this one. Oh boy, this one's all pink. This one's for the ladies. For the ladies. Now what's this one? Look at this. That's a masterpiece of some sort. Who knows what? Or why? Okay, here comes some more graffiti on the lower part of the car. What is it? What's it all about? Tell me. Oh, here's a real creative one. Look at that. Woo! Lots of color in that one. Most of the graffiti seem to be centered in the bottom third of the car. Once in a while, somebody will go after the whole railroad car, the whole side. Now there comes something. Maybe you can slow this up. Freeze frame it. Tell me about it. What is it? What's it mean? Who does this kind of stuff? Why do they do it? Is it just for fun? Are they marking these cars for some reason? Like a dog marks a tree or a fire hydrant? Tell me. Tell me. Oh, here comes some more. This is like watching a parade. Lots of graffiti now. For a while there, we were stalled, so to speak. Now the graffiti is just flowing. Oh, isn't that wonderful? Look, oh, look at this one. Oh, oh, wow. Are these stage names? Are these websites? Are these gangs? Are these just creative imagination? What are they? And how many hours does it take to do this kind of stuff? Someone out there knows the answer to these questions. Do you go by yourself? Do you go in a gang? Do you brag about it? Where did it originate? Who started all this? Has anybody ever been caught or nailed by the railroad company making graffiti on railroad cars? Does anybody know what's the penalty if you're caught? Can anybody answer these questions? Well, I sure am delighted. I was a little perturbed about coming to a stop here, but wow, we sure got ourselves a lot of railroad car graffiti. And I hope it makes for a good vid. Now you can slow this down. You can stop it at any car, anything that really gets your fancy going. You can stop it anytime and tell me what's the meaning of anything that you see. Anything. Norfolk Southern. Some of these cars were Canadian. There's Kansas City, Southern of Mexico, Kansas City Southern. Never mind the cars. What about the graffiti? Come on, tell me some answers. I'm longing for answers. It's a colorful display, very colorful. But what's the meaning? It looks to me like a particular group really got hold of a lot of these cars because it seems to have a certain style to it on some of the cars. You can pick out maybe 2 or 3 different styles of graffiti. And how about this? Graffiti might be expensive. What does it cost to buy this spray paint, the color spray paint? Are these people would-be artists that wanted to make it in the world of art, but they couldn't? So they've made it in the world of graffiti. Well, it looks like we're getting to the end of this, because right up here now, you're seeing this gigantic graffiti, and now along comes the engine, and I sure hope he's going back far enough that those railroad crossings can come up. It's a CSX engine going backwards. And please keep going, engine, because I want those crossings to go up, and then I can scoot off into the distance. So please leave a comment if you identified any graffiti or have any knowledge about graffiti on railroad cars. Thank you. End of video.